045 records.
Hold up.
Muscles tensed up, mad as fuck. I'm not feeling myself like I'm high on drugs. Check it. I want a gun, I want a weapon now. Too much anger and I need a way to let it out. He's a dickhead, let me go the way he's hanging out. Right now I feel like I just want a baseball bat to grip it with my palms, swing it at him hard, break his legs, break his face and tear him apart. Waste man, donut. Man, I'm speaking for real, your best vocalist. You ever heard of a guy called Phily D? Well, you're fucking with him, you don't know me. Just back off now before the trouble starts, cause I'ma hit you with something to make your heart stop. You best go home and just stay there, cause I go hard, you get so scared. Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure. Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure.
Yeah, I've been MIA. I was lost in the maze, couldn't find my way. Hey, like I'm busted by the DMA, sitting in a cold cell day by day. Now I'm gone too long, but came back strong. Now I'm finally home, so sit me on my throne with my crown over my head, just right to gone. I held a spit flame, correct me if I'm wrong. Follow my routine, it's my standard procedure. Treat me like a star, go ahead and take a picture. My ego's so colossal, yours is under pressure. Teach you to proceed, take notes, read the lecture. Wipe yourself, you piece of crap, get some tissue. Yeah, I'm sicker than you, so why should I dish you? I never quit, I'ma stay here and continue. Consider me a music hero. j-roq to the rescue.
Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure. Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure.
Once I'm on Paraknowyah on the microphone. I'm here to set the tone, fucking with no sticks or stones. Stack breaks, break bones, old school like Al Capone. Now catch my flow, if you don't, you just slow, you hoe. Man, escape from back in the day, stack on the sheets for the haters hate. Holding my stance like Sugar Ray, knocking out like cash and skate. Piss me off in a cockpit like I put it on your cortex. Signing off around the clock with broken bombs on projects. Hold up a minute, kinda get to me, let me to do my thing. Like Jordan, Kobe's rings, obvious who is the king. M6 slicks, clear the spit, I still spit, I don't give a shit. Quick fix, confidence, sickening kicks and half big fists. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Rise got the flow, rise balling, moving on that pick and roll. Oh no, I be the one who's killing it. I handle business anytime, even if I'm chilling it. This is Paraknowyah on a roller, causes the trauma. If I wanna turn it close to Bastonia, it's just like a jacket boy, 7 soldier, German soldier, twisted folger. Hold up, back off board when you start saying fucking hello. You don't want your face to be a modern Donatello, cause you like chips even if you're Puncharello. I'm first, I'm second, it's my devastating shadow.
Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure. Walk one, they're telling me to jam. Fuck you bagger, I'ma show you who I am. Man, I will knock you out when I see ya. Teach you a lesson, it's a standard procedure.